Today we cannot even imagine group teaning of wires, harnesses and contacts without soldering baths. Traditionally we use a regular soldering bath that contains a heater and a simple as a rule analogous temperature regulation circuit. But the world is undergoing constant development, so even such simple things as soldering baths are altered and enhanced. And here's an example: ST-930TAD Soldering Bath. It is different from the traditional one that it has an ergonomic design. The surface is very stable, which prevents overturning of the bath even when pushed. And more importantly, this device comes with an accurate digital temperature control. The bath is really easy to control. It only has 3 buttons and an indicator. The first button, shaped like a star, performs the function of turning the bath on and off and adjusting the temperature. Enter the adjustment mode. I press the button, the soldering bath is on with the current bath temperature displayed. To adjust the temperature, I press and hold the start button and the bath switches to the adjustment mode. Now I use the up and down buttons to set the required temperature. This soldering bath is powerful enough to tin most contacts and groups tin conductors. The device can maintain the solder temperature in the range of 100–450 degrees centigrade, so it has to be rather soft solder. This soldering bath is an indispensable tool in tinning contacts and group tinning conductors in situations when accurate temperature settings are a must.